Welcome everybody to the quickest tutorial you've ever seen. This is DaVinci Resolve 18.6. I've seen a lot of people recommend how to upload TikTok videos or, the 16 by 9 or 1080p by 1920. This is the easiest way I found this. So many people do it so much more complex way. This is so easy. So I have the whole video here. I just started learning how to use this. What you do is that the area you want to be a highlight, you highlight the audio and the video of what you want, right click, copy, or control C, as we all know, and then you go into your media pool, right click, timeline, create a new timeline. I'm just going to call this one TikTok. Don't wait. It's just called shoot them. Shoot them. And uncheck use project settings because it is automatically going to use that. You go to format, and instead of 19 by 20 by 1810, you go 1018 by 1920. And then you say create, then you just right click, paste, bam, done. Just like that. And then you just go in here and you edit what you want. For instance, this one, I am going to delete the beginning here, which then slaps it in the front. Now, the only thing is that it looks good up here, as you can see, but when you actually go to deliver, and if I then went over to like TikTok and edit to render queue, said replace, and then started to render this, you can see after a few moments, oh, it actually worked. Look at that. Look, okay, shit. Easy as pie. Bam, just like that. And that's how you get it in that great format that you want. Bam.